We're coming to you live from the command center of the jwsolarusa in Minnesota. Guys, just want to give you updates and good morning, good afternoon, and everybody around the globe. And this is the system, still working on a few things. And as you guys seen, my unboxing of my new Outback, the FX2532. And I hope you guys really like that. I'm looking forward to try it, but currently I'm looking at the different batteries that I want to try. But if everything goes well, you guys can see update on that inverter, which is right here. Stay tuned. Let me show you. Right here, and that's the box right here. This is the FX series. And guys, what I'm going to talk about today, it's all about these equipments here, how they run, and I want to give more update into the Volkswagen e-Golf lithium batteries. Is a 8.54 for storage here. I have I know I haven't talked about this that much, but guys, I was waiting for time I'm gonna be able to utilize this stuff right away, the way I wanted it. And guys, you will see how these batteries has been running so well, and the voltage is not going anywhere. Charge these batteries all the way to 32 volt, okay, 32 point something, and you guys can see how these batteries are holding up pretty well. These lithium batteries are really awesome. They're really awesome. You know, these are Sanyo batteries made in Japan, and I can't just stop loving these batteries. If I have to really get more of these batteries, I'll buy all of these batteries. Okay, so 75 amp hours, and these are 12 volt modules. They're designed for I think it's a 14.4 nominal, something like that. Go into the description below on the other videos on these lithium batteries. You will see the specs on it and tell you exactly what are the specifications of 75 amp hours. And that's one of my best 12 volt batteries. These are 12 volt, designed 12 volt, which can charge up to about 16.2 or 16.4, something like that, 16.2. So they are really cool. So I just want to say talk about them a little bit. I have them 4 of them in parallel, and other ones in series. The VW, you can see the VW Volkswagen, the e-Golf batteries. So I got a lot of people that really like them when I was talking about them back then when I got them. But unfortunately, my my vendor don't even have these batteries, lithium batteries, anymore. I hope I can able to get my hands into them anymore. I'll buy and swap my entire battery bank, which is these ones here. I love these batteries. And there's another one is the Ford Focus right there. Those ones I can't get anymore. But if I have the opportunity to get them, I'll stick into those. Those are 67, I think 67 amp hours, something like that. These were the Chrysler Pacifica. You see them right here, and those are. This system is wired into 16S for the 48 volts for the Outback right there. So that's 16S. This is the 24 volt configuration right here. But these batteries can able to work with the Ford Focus, and I can able to configure them, 4 of them, to work with the Chrysler Pacifica. So all my system is configurable because I don't want to get tied into any problems if I want to do a swap. But I can able to use this guy and beef it up for with the Ford Focus batteries, which they have a similar specifications. The only thing is the amp hours. These are 75. Those are, I think, is 67, something like that. So here, what I was going to talk about today, I know I already talked more about batteries because I want to make it clear. Look at the voltage of this battery. You know, I can go back to the past history and show you how much I charged the battery, the highest I went to. Okay, so it's 32.93. That's the highest I've seen. It's not like one time it went that when I charged them, but here you can see the minimum voltage is reading at 29 point something. That's what it's saying. But if you come to the main screen here, it's 29.3. So this battery has been running for the past 2 consecutive days without the solar on, because when I do test, I don't care if the weather is good or not. Look at that, we're sitting at 58. The first time ever I want to just say if the system is gonna shut down, but it wasn't. It's running my house, you know, constantly. And guys, I can't be happier with these batteries. But this is the first time I always run my batteries, all my batteries 80%. Never 80%. That's what I'm gonna stop. I don't want to go unless it drop maybe 1 millivolt, 0.01 state of charge, if that's the word. And that's the time you can see this battery goes to like 79, but always on 80 to the spot, to the dead. It stays there to the spot. So I let them run all the past couple days to this, you know. But look at the voltage. When these are the amp hours we took from the batteries. I've never taken over 100 on these batteries. And this entire bank here is a 300 amp hours at 24 volt. And this is the first time ever I've drawn this number. Okay. And the refrigerator, the freezers, they're all running constantly. And they were, you know, running for the longest time because we have fresh produce we have in the freezer and the fridge. And that keeps the freezer and the fridge running for quite a long time before they recycle. So guys, these batteries are really holding up pretty good. So this is the first time ever we've taken 127 amp hours out of a 300 amp hour battery bank. So I just want to let you guys know, I don't want to drag it too much, but the voltage is still good. If you divide that by 4, let's say 29.3, you do the math, divided by 4, it's going to tell you how much each cell is now on. So this is the system, and these are the batteries like I've shown you guys. And these are my lithium batteries in here, high grade batteries, very expensive, so it's not like any flimsy batteries. So I like to do things that do right and things that last me quite a long time. So I don't have trouble when it comes to the lithium batteries at all with my configuration here. But I would like to share with you guys and what is going on with the system. And the construction has stopped for now. I'm still waiting for this guy here, the cover. They came and trying to deliver it with postal service. I wasn't home, so they decided not to leave it. They put a sticker on my door and say they'll come back. So the weekend was already passed, so now we're gonna be having maybe today. I'm home today, and they might probably deliver that so that I can get this machine to be tested and see how everything's gonna go from here. And I'll let you guys know eventually how this machine is working. Trying to take this one off, show you good glance. Again, you haven't seen the video, go back and take a look at it. It's a brand new machine, and this is the FX35 2532 Outback. So pure sine wave. As I can use it for 12 volts, I can use it for 32 volts, I can use it for 36 volts. And like I said on the video, go back and look at it and watch the video. You will see I can take this thing up to about 45 right here, 45 volts. So I've watched some new batteries I want to try, which I don't even have here with my system, but it's gonna be a surprise. It's gonna be, stay tuned for that. I hope all is well. Then I can bring you a new setup of batteries I was gonna try, but I'm busy right now doing some other stuff tied into different projects I want to complete. I want to get this command center get done, and the makeover for the 2020. This is what it is. So I'm still waiting for the little conduit down there for the left or right. I'm still waiting for my vendor, what he's gonna offer me, and trying to already get the DC, like a nose cone right there. But I already explained on the other video. Watch this video and see what I said on that. And my board is getting smaller, which I'm thinking about doing an expansion. If you look at the back right there, I have a little bit space to the wall, a little bit space here, but I cannot go further because I have a cabinet here, documents here, so I can't go further. I just probably can go 3 or 4 inches more to the wall, and probably that would do it, because I want to flip this box, this FlexNet, the Flexware 500 right there, the gray box for the Outback, horizontally, so that I can able to fix that nose cone right here, the Flexware DCA, so that can attach to the DC combiner. So guys, this is what it is. I have more of the batteries today, and I'm really happy with this battery, so I'm really pleased. This is the first time we've run this battery so hard, and the 48 volts is resting right now, so it's just 24 volts is taking over. Like I said, the other inverter, I can use it to charge if I have to. But the weather has been so nice, and I can charge a 240 volt on that one to charge on this one, okay? And I can able to charge on 120 on this one. I don't even know what to do yet, what I want to do yet. That's the thing. Maybe I can able to utilize one of them for my dryer and the 240s, and this one's gonna stay for the 120, okay? But I don't know. But if I decide to go that route and see what I'm gonna get for the conduit down there that covers that red spot over there, and then I'll decided to go do what I want to do and get this thing all parallel. That's what I did last time. I was showing you guys, I was stacking it and do the connections. So I took the connections back off to make sure that it works and everybody see how it's supposed to work, and that's what I did, and we're done with it. I'm waiting for the parts to come so I can complete this entire work, done with the Outback, and now get a 36. If I wish I have more board, then I can put the 32 volt inverter side by side and do some kind of crazy setup here, which is unbelievable. So they're gonna be running different things, so I can utilize all these inverters simultaneously, which each inverter is gonna be having their batteries, which the 48 volt over there is gonna be running Chrysler Pacifica and the Ford Ford Focus, and I'm gonna be running these Magnums with the this guy right here, the Volkswagen e-Golf 8.544 kilowatts, then I can run this guy here with the new batteries I want to do. So just to get things going on, fun, and see, designate the system for different applications. So yeah, so this is what it is. I'm just thinking. I don't just my installs are not like a permanent install because I'm gonna upgrade anytime. I'm gonna take things. I'm gonna do this. I want to do that. So especially my board is a tutorial. Is for tutorial videos. Some of these installs are not permanent because I can change them anytime. So that's what it is. So I want my board to be interchangeable. That's why I'm trying to make a very portable board that works for me and what I'm going to do. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. I hope this video, you like it and share. Bye.